Yes, Sasrika students. Today we will discuss the complete chapter of constructions, class ninth. We will learn how to draw angles, bisector of an angle, draw a triangle when sum of two sides, base angle and base is given, then when difference, and then perimeter, and few tricky multiple choice question sums. Right? Okay, students. So number one, how can we draw angles? So most important angle is 60-degree. Well, you take a line from here, open the compass, draw an arc, same distance, draw another arc. This is the angle of 60-degree. If you extend this arc 60, 120-degree, now this angle is 120-degree. If you bisect this and this angle by putting your needle here and then putting an arc, putting a needle here, putting an arc, you will get the angle of 90-degree. Well, if you bisect this 90-degree angle, you can get an angle of 45-degree. Bisect 60-degree, you can get an angle of 30-degree, like that. Okay. On this side, you will get 180-degree. If you bisect this, you know, you will get another angle. So it will be 90 plus 45. That is, if you bisect this, it will be angle 135-degree. So this is how we draw the angles. Then bisector of an angle. Students, imagine you already have an angle, right? If this is a given angle, how to draw the bisector of this? Remember, perpendicular bisector of a line is possible. This is a straight line. Put the needle of compass here. Extend the straight line. Put two arcs. Same distance. Put two arcs over here. When you join these 2 points, you get perpendicular bisector of this line AB. Well, it divides the line into two equal parts, plus this angle is 90-degree. But perpendicular bisector of angle is not possible, but bisector of angle is possible. How? Well, put a needle here, put an arc, put the needle of the compass here, put an arc, and simply join this. So I can say AB is the bisector of angle CAZ. AB is the bisector of the angle CAX, right? Then comes, we want to do we want to draw a triangle when sum of two sides, base angle and base is given. All right. So this is important. Well, let's say the sum of two sides, base angle and base is given. Let me write whatever is given. We have been given sum of two sides, right? So let's say those sides are A plus B. Let's say the other side is C, that is also given. C is also given and a base angle is given. Now the base is given, so I assume my triangle is triangle A, B, C. So I'll assume this is my base BC. All right. On this BC base, as the base angle is given, base angle, let's say B is given. So on B, I will draw this base angle, whatever the base angle as explained in the construction, maybe 60-degree, whatever the base angle. On this base, on this arm of angle B, cut A plus B, right? And then join this point D with point C, right? Then just draw the perpendicular bisector of DC. So whenever perpendicular bisector of DC cuts BD, that is the vertex of your required triangle A. Simply join A and C. You will get ABC as the required triangle. The other way to do this is, students, you see, because AX is the perpendicular bisector of CD. On close observation, you can see AX is the perpendicular bisector of CD. So, interestingly, AC would be equal to AD. right? So the other way of doing the same sum is, I'll explain to you. Okay, you draw the base, whatever is given, draw the base angle B. You can draw the base angle here also, right? Then cut A plus B is equal to BD. Measure this angle, right? Then this angle D. Draw this angle on C. Okay, how to draw this angle? Already explained in the video. So when you draw this angle, so these two angles are same. Their opposite sides will also be same. So, this is the required triangle ABC. All right, and let's go further. Now, the base is given, base angle is given, B or C. Then difference of two sides. Well, it may be AB. Well, let's say I just roughly draw the triangle. If this is BC, so let's say the vertex is A. So AB minus BC may be given, or AC minus BC. I'm sorry, AB minus not BC, rather AB minus AC may be given. Difference of other two sides. This is your base. AB minus AC, difference of two sides. So in this particular case, it will be AC minus AB. Or if this is a triangle, this is the triangle, let's say, right? Then in this case, AB minus AC. In this case, AB minus AC. So in this case, AC minus AB may be given. Now, the way to do, the way to handle this both cases is different. Let's do one by one, and let's understand the trick, how we can understand that by which method we will do the sum. All right. So now students, you see case one. All right. So let's be particular. Let's say base is given. Uh, let's say base is 4 centimeter. All right. And base angle is 60 degree. Let's say that is angle is B. Now he says AB minus AC is equal to, let's say, 2 centimeter. Okay. How do we do this? So, all right. First, I'll draw the base. So the base is 4 centimeter. I'll draw here. This is my base, 4 centimeter. Right. I'll give it the name BC. Okay. For convenience. So the apex vertex, top vertex will be above. That will be A. We have to locate where is A. Now AB minus AC. AB, obviously, if A is here, AB would be this, and AC would be this. Now, from this statement, if I see this carefully, I get to know that AB is bigger. Why? Because if I subtract 4 from 7, I will get a positive number 3. If I subtract a bigger number from 7, I will never get a positive number. I will get a negative number. So AB is bigger, obviously, because AC is a positive length. When subtracted from AB is still giving me a positive value. That means AB is bigger. That means the approximate shape of triangle would be this, right? Not like this. Not like this. Because if this is the shape ABC, this means AB is smaller. So this is not my triangle. This kind of triangle will be there. Am I right? Yes. So when this kind of triangle is there, that means, listen very carefully, on the base angle, the given base angle. See, there are two base angles. One base angle C is not given. B angle clearly is given 60 degree, right? Even C angle can be given. Okay, doesn't matter. So whatever base angle is given, in this case, B base angle is given. So the arm of triangle on the base angle obviously would be AB. Whatever base angle is given, if the arm of the triangle on that given base angle is bigger, this case 1 would be applicable, right? I once again repeat, if the arm of the triangle on the given base angle, right? It may be angle C also. See, it may be, given, just see here, that angle C is 60 degree, no problem. Don't think only left hand side angle should be given. It can be right hand side angle also. Angle C is given. Okay. You can be smart. You can draw like this BC and then draw angle C here. This is 60 degree. Right. Now you know that on angle C, if it is given, if C is given, okay, and it's given, it's given AB minus AC is 2 centimeter. For example, what's given? AB minus AC is 2 centimeter and angle C is also given. Now, can Sargun tell me whether I will follow case 1 or I will follow case 2? Yes, Sargun? Can you answer this? Okay, let me take this. So it's given AB minus AC. Now the base angle given is not B. The base angle given is C. I have to see. I have to apply case 1. In which case? When the side of the triangle on the given base angle is bigger. Very good. But in this case, it's written AB minus AC. The side of the triangle on the given base angle would be AC, but AC is, yes, Sargun? AC is bigger or smaller? AC is smaller. I will not follow case 1. Am I right? Okay. So, but if, you know, it may be given like this, that angle B is 60 degree, and some students say, sir, I want to draw this triangle from the right side. Oh, no problem. Then just draw like this CB, right? Then draw the base angle 60 degree, right? Angle B is 60 degree and AB minus AC is 2 centimeter. So from this I will make up my mind that the side of the triangle on the given base angle is B, should be bigger, and it coincides with this. My triangle will be something like this, no problem. Am I right? Both the triangles will be same whether I take B here or here. This is what I wanted to say. So how will I do this? Okay, so the base given is 4 centimeter, base angle B is 60 degree, and difference of sides AB minus AC is equal to 2 centimeter. How do I do? Draw the base BC, right? Then draw the angle B, that is 60 degree. I know AB, the side of the triangle on the arm of base B would be bigger. So now you cut AB minus AC equal to BD, that is 2 centimeter. On this, join DC. And after joining DC, students draw the perpendicular bisector of DC. All right. Wherever this perpendicular bisector meets the this side, extended BD, would be your third vertex A. So this is your third vertex A. You join A with C, you get the required triangle. Now let's discuss case 2. Case 2 is when base is given, let's say again 4 centimeter. Okay, so I will assume my base to be BC. It's convenient. Okay, base angle is also given. Let's say B is given 60 degree. Okay, now it says what? AC minus AB is equal to 2 centimeter. From this statement, I can definitely understand that AC is bigger and AB is smaller, not so bigger, right? AC is bigger. Now, AC is the side not on the given base angle, on the other base angle. So I have to apply case 2. When I will apply case 1? When the side of the triangle which is bigger is on the given base angle, which is not the case right now. Right now the case is the side which is bigger is AC, and AC is not on the given base angle, right? If AC had been, if C angle had been given, then I would have applied case 1. But now I have to apply case 2. How do I do it? Let's see. This is very, very important, that which case I will apply. Okay, very important. So angle B, I will draw angle B is 60 degree. Okay, and extend it backwards. When you extend it backwards, then cut BD again equal to 2 centimeter equal to AC minus AB. Simply join DC. When you join DC, again draw a perpendicular bisector of DC. Wherever it cuts the extension of BD, that point is A, B, C is your required triangle. Am I right? The third case is when perimeter is given, right? When perimeter is given and both the base angles B and C are given. So what do? You draw the perimeter. Whatever perimeter is given, you draw the perimeter. What? Well, this perimeter will not be base. This perimeter will be X, Y, because this is not the base. We have been habitual of drawing BC as the base. This is perimeter XY. XY is equal to first side plus second side plus third side. That is AB plus BC plus AC, right? So XY is equal to what? The perimeter, right? Yeah. Then BC is given, simply draw. Let's say B is 60 degree, C is 45 degree. So first draw 90 degree, then draw 45 degree. So it will meet here. All right, draw angle, this angle equal to C and this angle equal to B, that is 60 degree, right? Then draw perpendicular bisector of these angles. Okay, perpendicular bisector of these angles, we know how to draw. Simply draw perpendicular bisector, and from here also draw. This is not perpendicular bisector, this is also not, this is the perpendicular bisector. Wherever these two perpendicular bisectors are intersecting, you are able to locate first vertex of the triangle, right? Now, if you want to have the second and third vertex, simply draw the perpendicular bisectors of AX and AY. All right, perpendicular bisectors of AX and AY. So this is the perpendicular bisector of AX. This is the perpendicular bisector of AY. So now you got the third vertex of triangle and you got fourth vertex of triangle. Simply join AB, AC, you got the right triangle. All right, let's quickly shift to do some tricky sums from Arihant book. It says with the help of ruler and compass, it's not possible to construct which angle. The choices are 37.5, 40, 22.5, and I want Sargun to answer this. 67.5 degree. Yes, Sargun, quickly. It's not possible to draw with ruler and compass which angle? Fast. Hello, Sargun. Okay. Yes, Mansimrat, do you know which angle we cannot draw with compass?
Sir, and 67.5 degree.
Okay, your answer is wrong because 67.5 multiplied by 2 is 120 plus 15, 135. 135 is possible. See, this is, 90, and this is 60, and this is 120. And now think, how can we draw 135? This is 120. This is 60. Yes, can you tell me?
120
Sir,
and
half of 120 and 135.
In, bet-
180.
in between 150 and 180, right? Is it right? 135 plus 15 is, sorry, plus 135. 135 is in between. Yes, Aman Simrat, can you tell? How can you draw 135? No, not between 90 and 120. Between 90 and 120, we will have other angle 105. So
120, 150.
120, correct.
In
120 and 150. Both these angles are possible. So 40-degree angle we cannot draw with compass and needle. Your answer is wrong. Okay. So second question, which of the following angles cannot be constructed by ruler and pair of compass? One is 22.5 degree, other is 45 degree. Well, this is possible. This is also possible. Then 70 degree and 90 degree. So the answer is, yes, Amrit? 70 degree is the answer. Now the next question is really good. Third question, it says construction of triangle LMN, right? In which LM is given is 8 centimeter. Angle L is given is 45 degree. Is possible when MN plus LN is the question. I'll repeat the question. It says construction of this triangle LMN when LM, maybe the base is 8 centimeter and angle L is 45 degree. MN plus LN is either 6, 7, 9 or 5 centimeter. So this is the question. 6, 7, 9 and 5 centimeter. Okay. Yes. Mansimrat, can you answer this question? Yes. Harmandeep Singh?
Sir, 9.
9. Answer is 9 because in a triangle we have a property. Sum of two sides AB would always be greater than third side. A plus B should always be greater than C. So Mn plus Ln, if it is 6, it is less than 8, 7 less than 8, 5 less than 8, 9 is the right answer. Okay. Fourth question, the last question is really very important. It says the construction of triangle ABC. I'll try to explain this. Given that BC is 6 centimeter, okay, and angle B is 45 degree. So this is, let's say students, once again, this is our BC, right? BC. Base. Angle B is 45 degree. Angle B is 45 degree, let's say. Okay. It says it's not possible when the difference of AB and AC. Difference of AB and AC. Well, it may be AB minus AC or it may be AC minus AC. Both ways. The difference of AB and AC is equal to, is a really good question. 6.9 centimeter, 5.2 centimeter, 5 centimeter or 4 centimeter. So in order to, before answering this question, it's better to, understand the, you know, mechanism behind this question. Okay. So there are two ways I can explain this. One is very simple way. Sum of two sides A plus B is always greater than third side. Am I right? So that means it says AB and AC. Now it says difference of AB and AC. Difference of AB and AC He says that it's not possible to construct ABC. This is a question. When difference of these two sides is equal to this, or this. You see, student, these differences are less than 6, and only this difference is greater than 6. Okay. Now you see A plus B is greater than C, right?
Yes, sir.
A plus B is greater than C. Right now, so I can say that B greater than C minus A, right? If I take A on the other side, B is greater than C minus A.
Yes, sir.
Now B is greater than C minus A. If B, now you see that, students, A plus B should be greater than C. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Is it right? What does it mean? B should be greater than C minus A. What does that mean? The other side must be greater than the difference. Are you getting it? Other side is greater than the difference. Okay. So now one side is 6 centimeter. Now see, students, BC is 6 centimeter. Okay. Let's say this angle of C is also 45 degree. Now this will be A. What will be AB minus AC in this case? 0. Suppose A is shifted to left side. Now AC becomes bigger and AB becomes smaller. Difference will increase. Again, difference will increase. Difference will increase. Maximum difference of AC minus AB. Maximum difference of AC minus AB would be little less than 6 centimeter. Then the triangle is possible. If the difference exceeds 6 centimeter, the triangle is
Not possible.
not possible. Okay? It's indicated from here also. B greater than C minus A. So if this difference becomes more, like 6.9 difference is more, then a triangle will not be possible. Thank you very much, students. Stay tuned to have more videos like this. So with this, we finish this entire chapter in 30 minutes. Thank you.